What if your computer could handle your emails, write your reports, answer your customers, and even make business decisions, all while you sleep? That's not science fiction anymore. That's AI automation. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to break it down for you in plain English. No jargon, no fluff. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what AI automation is, how it works, and how real people are using it to save hours every single week. Let's get into it. What is AI automation? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI automation? At its core, AI automation is when artificial intelligence takes over tasks that normally require a human, things like reading, writing, deciding, or responding, and does them automatically, without someone needing to press a button every time. Now, regular automation has existed for decades. Think of a car factory. Machines have been tightening bolts and welding doors since the 1970s. But those machines could only do exactly what they were programmed to do. If something went wrong, they stopped. AI automation is different. Instead of following a rigid set of rules, AI can learn, adapt, and handle situations it's never seen before. It understands context. It makes judgment calls. It gets better over time. A simple way to think about it: traditional automation is like a vending machine. It only works if you press exactly the right button. AI automation is like a smart assistant. It understands what you want, even if you phrase it differently every time. How does it work? So how does AI automation actually work under the hood? It all starts with data. The AI receives some kind of input. It could be a customer's email, a photo of a product, a form someone filled out, or even a spoken command. Step 2. The AI processes that input. It's been trained on millions of examples, so it recognizes patterns. It understands what the input means and what the best response or action would be. Step 3. It takes action. Maybe it sends a reply, routes a ticket to the right department, flags a suspicious payment, or generates a summary report. And step 4. The loop. The system records what happened and uses it to get smarter over time. Every interaction teaches it something new. The key technologies making all of this possible include machine learning, which lets systems learn from data, natural language processing, which helps AI read and write like a human, computer vision, which lets it see and interpret images, and large language models, like the ones powering AI tools you might already use, that can write, summarize, and reason. Real-world examples. Let me make this real with some examples you'll actually recognize. Customer service. Ever chatted with a bot on a website at 2 a.m. and actually got a useful answer? That's AI automation. It reads your message, understands your problem, and responds. No human needed. Email management. Tools now exist that can read your inbox, draft replies in your voice, unsubscribe you from junk, and flag only what matters. Some people save 2 or 3 hours a week just from this. Finance. Banks use AI to monitor millions of transactions in real time and flag anything suspicious, all before a human ever sees it. What used to take a team of analysts now runs automatically, 24/7. Hiring. Recruiters receive hundreds of resumes for a single role. I can scan all of them in seconds, rank candidates by fit, and surface the top 10. Humans still make the final call, but the legwork is done. Content creation. Marketers use AI to generate first drafts of social posts, blog articles, and ad copy, then edit and publish. It's not replacing the human creative layer. It's just handling the blank page problem. And in manufacturing, cameras powered by computer vision inspect products on assembly lines faster and more accurately than any human eye. Defective items get caught before they leave the factory. Benefits. So why does this matter? Why should you care about AI automation? First, time. Repetitive tasks eat hours every week. AI automation gives those hours back. Imagine what you'd do with an extra 5 or 10 hours. Second, accuracy. Humans make mistakes, especially on boring, repetitive work. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't lose focus at 4 p.m. on a Friday. Third, scale. One AI system can handle thousands of tasks simultaneously. You can't hire 1,000 people. You can deploy one system. And fourth, focus. When the grunt work is automated, you and your team get to focus on the things that actually need a human brain: creativity, strategy, relationships, judgment. Now, I want to be honest with you, because this isn't all sunshine and efficiency gains. AI automation works best when you feed it good, clean data. Garbage in, garbage out. That's still true. It can also reflect biases. If the training data was skewed, the AI's decisions will be skewed. That's why human oversight still matters, especially in high-stakes decisions. And not every task is worth automating. Some things need human warmth, nuance, and empathy that no system can replicate, at least not yet. The smart move isn't to automate everything. It's to automate the right things. So, what's your next move? If you're just getting started, pick one task in your daily life that's repetitive and boring. Maybe it's sorting emails, scheduling meetings, or writing the same type of message over and over. That's your automation starting point. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through the actual tools beginners should start with, no coding required. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. And let me know in the comments, what task would you automate first if you could? I'll see you in the next one.